Prepare the assembly kit and the necessary tools. We recommend using jacks. We recommend working with 2 people. The car should be clean and dry. On the side skirt, mark a point 2 centimeters from the end. Then, from the marked point, measure 45 to 48 centimeters along the side skirt and mark the second point. Do the same from the other end of the skirt. Then, from the marked points, draw a line on the side part of the side skirt. Repeat the same on the other side skirt. We recommend cutting out the side of the side skirt marked in this way to make room for the jacks. There is an arrow at the end of the side skirt. This arrow indicates the direction of travel and the direction of travel forward. Using 2 screws, secure the side skirt in place so that it does not move. Using screws, secure the side skirts to the car sills. The screws should be spaced equally apart in the range of 20 to 25 centimeters.